here on Sunday feeding the ducks.
Go throw bread to the duckies. Let's go over here. There's more of them. Why?
This is Isabel's first time feeding duckies.
Go throw it to the duckies. Get back up. Let her do it. Throw them the bread, Izzy. Throw the bread to them.
They're not very hungry ducks. The seagulls are hungry.
These ducks are like full up. Hold on, we're gonna visit you. Sit. Sit. Here you go. Here you go, Izzy.
Oh, Maisie and Libby, can you guys get back for a minute?
Back up, guys. Come here, guys. Come here. Come here. Come by Dad. Here you go, Izzy. Throw him some more, Izzy. Honey, we're gonna
This is Isabel's first time feeding ducks.
Throw him. Throw the bread. Throw it to him. Throw it to him. Give him some bread, Izzy. Here you go. Give it to him. Throw it to him. Throw it. Good job, Izzy. Here, throw this piece to him. Throw this piece to him. Hold on. It's Izzy right now. Hold on. You gotta hold up. Good job, Izzy. Good job. Watch out. Watch out for this thing. So you're hitting yourself with the head?
I want to pet that ducky.
You do? Those are wild duckies.
Do you hear the noises?
Throw it to him, Izzy. Good job. Here you go. Here's some more.
Is that what the ducky says?
I can't believe they're not coming up here more.
Oh, you have to finish it. You're the one that started it.
I'm so big.
Hold on tight.
Here you go, Izzy.
Do you hear those seagulls? Ooh, ooh.
Alright, here you go. The little pieces. I'm going to give you a little piece. Can you hear the noises?
Flies, huh? They're over there. Is that cool, Maisie in there?
I need to get back.
Park ducks.
I know, I agree.